So today I am working on my text game again in Unity, and what we're doing is adding an action to be able to examine something. And so we have a withered human skull that lies in the corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to examine skull, and you see that the skull is black and charred. Okay, now how did I set this up? So what I did was inside Unity, I created a new scriptable object called examine. Then I opened this up inside Visual Studio, where I told it to create an asset menu called Text Adventure Input Actions Examine. And then I overrode the respond to input, and there I added my controller log string with return, and I'm going to pass in my text verb dictionary with noun, which requires me to pass in a dictionary and then separated keywords 1 and 2, which is the verb and the noun. Now, once I did that, I had to go to my game controller, and in here I had to examine the dictionary, and I set up a loop inside my prepare the objects. And then what I'm going to do is pass over the objects in the room, and I'm looking for the keyword examine. And if it's there, I'm going to do this. And then if it's not there, I'm going to tell it I can't do that if it's not in the dictionary right here. Okay, so as you saw, it worked. And that is me adding my first examine interaction. So now we've added go and examine.